Hello YouTube, hello Twitch, hello Kick. Wait a second. There we go. So, today we are going to continue my extension. Uh you know how is it called? The achievement extension. The thing I've been doing for a while now. Um Basically let me do that. There we go, that thing. It's been a while, I know, but I wanted to come back to that. I don't think we'll be done for today, but I want to do a lot of things. All right. So what we have right here is the thing for Twitch. Salut Riven. Oh, whoops. And this is not thing. But there we go. As you can see, we are on my Twitch thing. If you do remember, we did that last time. Last time, a little achievement thing. It does work. Actually, it does work, and that's what makes it interesting. It's the fact that it does work. D'accord. But we have a lot of things to do and a lot of things to fix. First things first, um, we have a small bug with my extension. It's the fact that, as you can see, if I come back, we have the Twitch thing, which is fine. But as soon as I switch to another streamer, that's on that, by the way. If I wait long enough, for some reason, if I come back to my Twitch, as you can see, there's two of them. It does work the same way, but there's just two buttons instead of one, which is kinda useless. Useful, useless, I don't know. But that's not really interesting, you see. So we have to fix that first, which luckily I think we can. Oh wait, I know why it doesn't work. Okay. Uh, I mean, I know why it duplicates. Um, ID. There we go. Document dot get element by ID. I don't think we can just directly remove that, right? Happened. We are just going to hide that. That's fine. It works the exact same way anyways. Alright, so if I... Oh, we have some errors here. Oh, that's the pop-up thing. Okay, that's fine. So let's refresh the page. Alright, we wait a bit. Okay, as you can see, we have the Twitch achievement thing. And if I go onto another live stream, I pause it. Oh, yeah, as you can see, it just disappears. And if I come back to my uh, Twitch, as you can see, it just comes back and it should work the exact same way. There we go. We fixed something. That's some good news. Now we need to make the X button a bit bigger because right now it's okay, but I mean, not everyone will be able to just press on that easily. So to fix that, I think I know how to do that. And to do that, we need to that thing. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's a really big text. How is it called? Font size. Let's say 20 pixels. Yeah, it should be fine. All right, let's wait a bit. Okay, the button is more accessible now. It's not the best button ever, but at least it's here. All right. Now, I want to try something else first about the cross button. If I do that, will it work the exact same way, or will it add some things, if we can say this is a thing? No, it works the exact. Okay. Okay, so we fixed a bug. We upgraded a feature. That's perfect. With that being done, what can we do now? Hmm, I don't know. I think we can move on to X, like Twitter, probably. Yeah, there's not too much I can do now. So let's go to Twitter. The thing is, which achievement can we add on Twitter? Like, there's not much thing we can do. Or maybe we can do something there. Anyways, let's just go on Twitter. All right, welcome on Twitter. So, um, don't tell me I have to log in, because if I do need to log in, then I think I'm going to continue with YouTube. Um, X login. Okay, let's continue with YouTube instead. What can we do on YouTube now? Like, we have 8,000 things we can do on YouTube. But first, I think what could be important would be to add some achievements to Twitch, because for now everything we have is the beginning, fun, super fun, some sort of fun, full day watcher, just a normal fun, and watching so much. And everything you need to do is just watch my live streams, and that's not really the goal. So we should add some achievements. Wait a second. There we go. So, what can we do? There's a lot of things we can do here. Hmm, we should add a we should add a button here somewhere that says import to Geeky House or Geeky Achievement or whatever. But basically that could allow us to get like an entire achievement list. And that could be really cool. So I think we should do that. Um, so Twitch. All right, so that's the last button. Okay, right here. We should add a new button. Display none. Okay, that's normal. Okay, so here we add a new button with ID and on click. Not on click, actually, we can do it from another way. But what we can do is close that up. Still equals to background. Actually, let's not do that. For now, let's just focus on making the button on itself. Alright, import to GeekyHouse. And we can do document dot get element by ID import to website dot add event listener click. I know there will be some let's say security issues, but I don't really mind because if you do that anyways, then you won't really be happy to unlock uh the achievements you didn't deserve to unlock, so that's fine. Alright, so we do window dot new? No, wait, what was the thing? Was it navigator dot new? Not new promise. Oh, I forgot. How is that possible? Do not track. Wait, I forgot that was a thing. This is not here. Um, that's fine. Window location href equals to https geek yt.io/geekyhouse website. All right, let's create a new page for that thing. First, let's just type import. Actually, wait. Website, wait, extensions, web extensions. We can do achievements, import.html, data equals to class, encode URI components, And then we should see something here. Achievements index, we don't really care about that. Uh, Unlock achievements. I guess let's try that out. I don't think it will work first try, but if it does, then that would be amazing. Oh wait, we have a small issue. I don't think that's supposed to happen here. Oh my gosh, we are gaining fluid. What? Oh wait. Oh, I think I did a huge mistake. Wait. I think I know what I did wrong. Wait. Here. But no, it's not that. Then where is still displaying on? I don't know what I did, to be honest. Oh my gosh. Since it's floating, I believe. Okay, I think there's something wrong. Okay, this is not that thing. Then what's wrong? Is it the fact that there's like the button here? Or probably that. Wait, if I remove that, what happens? It's not the correct thing. It works fine. All right. Then I think I know what to do. We are going to make an pure hell in the code. Oh my gosh. All right, so this, this. There we go. All right, so this is a pure hell, but I don't really care. Okay, now we have the button here, and I press on that. Nothing really happens, I think. Oh, I see. Unlocked achievements is not defined. So I either wrote it wrong, either it does the exact same thing as I thought, and we need to change the way it works. Alright, so this is Kitsport right here. Keep document. dot get element by ID xt. Um, but style the display is equals to none. Then we do that. All right, let's try this out. I think doesn't work. Amazing. Oh wait, I think. Oh, that's maybe. Wait, is it because I'm trying to make so we go like offsite and it has detected it or something? Is that what happened? Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. If that's really what happened, then it's kind of sad because I obviously wanted to make so you just go to the website. Like you import everything to the website. All right. For now, that's too bad. Um, well, instead, let's just do this. Just to see if that will still take me to the correct website and everything. It doesn't even allow me to press on the button. What? The button here works fine, but not this one for some reason. Or maybe I missed something. I didn't want it to code, but now it gives me even less. Okay, I think I know why. Still dot display equals to known. I forgot that. Alright, let's get back to here. Let's just remove that. And now let's go here, press on that, and refresh. Why is there nothing loaded? What the what the heck? Oh, there we go. There we go. It's back. Alright, so import. Oh my gosh, it did work. Yes, look at that. We have the data here. Yes. Oh my gosh. It took me a while, but it worked. And that's the most important part. So obviously, since there's literally nothing to that location, it just doesn't work for now, but don't worry, I'll probably do that some time later on. For now, at least it works. All right, perfect. How much time did it took? Just by curiosity, you know. Right here, I have I'm still trying here. Oh my gosh, took me a while. Look at that, it took me 30 minutes just for that. Oh my gosh, that's kind of annoying. But at least it works, and that's the most important part. Alright, so we did Twitch. Oh my gosh. Yes. With that being done, we shall continue with something else. The thing is, I don't know which game, which platform we shall continue on. Hmm, I don't know. But at least it works, and that's the most important part. Alright, so we did the achievements for Twitch. Now, we can continue with YouTube, Discord, Twitter. We can also continue with my website. That's useless, but we can do that. We can also continue with Cake, but I don't see the utility for that for now. I don't know, it's been 30 minutes we started. So I think we should continue with YouTube. Alright, so the thing is now how we detect it is my own YouTube channel and not like um from someone else. I can probably get the URL and I don't know, wait. Um, okay, we have a huge class name here. href. Okay. So, um, document dot get element by class name. And we do that. How much are they? Don't tell me there's 9 of them. There's actually 9 of them. Okay, so TCJH1. Okay. So, okay, we can get the href like that. Okay. All right. So this is the thing. So right here, it is true because that's my own channel. But if I switch to a random video like this one, thank you, Ocean, then it's going to turn false, right? Yep, false. Amazing. All right, so this is how we detect if that's my channel. Incredible. That's everything I wanted to see. So now let's create the thing for YouTube, I guess. I think I already started the thing with YouTube, but it didn't work the way I wanted. Actually, let me show you. If I go here, It doesn't even work. It doesn't even display. Um, yeah, that's a little problem here. Um, okay, we'll go back on that later. That's definitely something on YouTube anyways. I think what can make it useful will be to add the loaded thing here instead of there. Let's just create a new file called youtube.js. Right, so that thing, there we go. All right, so for now, let's just find the new script here. Extension, we refresh. Yeah, it definitely works, right? I think yeah, it definitely works. Oh my gosh, this is going to take a while. How did we do that for Twitch? That might help. Or maybe wait, I think I know why it doesn't work. That's also another possibility. If I'm going in the manifest. Okay, does okay, it should it still work. It should work. So if I'm going here, we have the alerting, we have everything. Wait, it didn't even there should have been an alert. Hmm. Yeah, that's a small problem here. I think. Hmm. Yeah, that's a little problem here. Alright, how I did that for Twitch then? I think I looped it until it works, right? Oh, catch. Okay, we have a catch thing here. That might help. Try all of these. Catch loaded equals to false. Something like that, right? And we have two errors here. This. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. So let's go back here and see. No, it just doesn't work. Did I miss something? Hmm. Okay, let's try that, I guess. Oh, there's also an error here somewhere. There should have been a closing thing here, right? There we go. And so for here to go to wait for page loaded, right? I think that's how it works. Wait, we opened this. Oh, wait. That's not the correct thing. There we go. And now we refresh the extension. We wait for 5 seconds and it should appear, right? Well, looks like I'm blind because there's nothing here. The thing is, we don't even know if it's loaded or not for the extension. That's not going to help at all. Alright, so this is actually this. Okay, that's a good beginning for now, I guess. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do that. I mean, that's YouTube. Hmm, I don't know if I want to continue that on YouTube for now. Um, let's go see on Kick. That'll probably help me. Alright, so this is Kick, I guess. If we go down, we have those. We have this. We have those. Okay. So we need a button and okay, let's try. All right, let's try Kick. Actually, we can try copy pasting it for now. All right, so this is the entire script here. Okay, how is the layout system on Kick? I didn't want it to. Let me stop the live stream here. I can use it, but oh, there we go. Wait, so there's a lot of things here. Oh my gosh. How? Why is there that much thing? I mean, look at the main. Oh my gosh! What is that amount of scripts? Look at that. We have a script here. What? Look at the difference between Kick and my website. Wait, why did I keep that? Look, if I go here, Look at that! I do clean stuff. It's not that hard. Why is there that much scripts? Oh my gosh, wait, can we? Oh my god, what the heck? Okay, whatever. Let's not talk about that. And why is there all of these? Wait, what the heck is going on? That's the body. Why is there a title thing in the? Yeah, no. Okay, let's just go back here. So this is the app thing, right? All right, for now, let's try that. And where the hell is the button? Oh, here it is. So we right click achievements here. All right, so this is the about thing. I think we can add this to that. Like we remove all of these and we replace it with that. All right, let's try that out. Um, all right, 158. Let's see, 158 here. Oh, I think I know why. I'm just dumb. Hit.com. And also, I realized something else. That's actually a bug, but we are going to fix that later on. That's fine for now. 158 again. Yeah, that's an issue, yeah. I guess. Alright, for now, let's remove that. Mm, this is kinda problematic, not gonna lie. The issue is here. For some reason, it doesn't detect this is my channel. Like, if I do that and I just refresh the thing, For some reason, it doesn't detect this is my channel and it just doesn't care at all. Hmm. This is questionable, I guess. Hmm. I hate when it does happen. I don't even stream for like 1 hour and I already want to stop. That's amazing. I don't think that's that, but if it's really that, then where is it? Here. Wait, first. Console. But length. There's only one. Okay. There's no way that there's nothing. Why? Oh, wait. That might be the issue. If that's what causes the issue, then well, now we have another issue. There's no button, I think. That's kind of problematic. Yo, Lokak, welcome on the stream. Mm, Look at how, why, oh, okay, so that's my thing. If I remove that, it does show the achievements. Okay, so this is not the issue. We can hide the achievements, okay? How about we go back on that and okay, it does work like normal. I think this button will work too. Alright, so the only problem is really the button on itself. I've been kind of active on your chat. Yeah, true. That's entirely true. Um, the button. Is there anything here? Because we do have the 18s. Oh, there's nothing. There's no button here. So the issue here, there's just no button at all. Oh, I missed something, probably. Okay, let's try using that instead. Mm, wait, what's that for then? Like, document.body? That's maybe why. If I go down, there's literally nothing. Alright, let's try refreshing that real quick. That's maybe the reason it doesn't work. Oh my gosh! Finally! Alright, it does work. Oh my gosh. I just want to see something. I want to try to get the exact same font as here. Text dot class name equals to that. That may work, I guess. Huh, kinda works. Alright, now we just need to check if there's a way to detect if I'm live streaming or not. Okay, let's try that. Document get element by ID. Not by ID, by class name. Is oh my gosh, it's really ugly. The, okay, there's only one, and that's the live thing. Okay, so right here, there's that thing. Okay, interesting. How about we go onto another channel? Is there anyone called Team Geek YT? Oh, there's someone called Team Geek and Team Geek YT. Okay, I didn't know that. But if I do that, oh, wait, what? There's actually something. Probably still not display. No. But there's actually something. Okay. That's interesting, I guess. So now we have an issue. We need to find a way to detect if I'm live streaming or not. And that's a big issue. What the? Was that really required? What the heck is What the? Kick, what did you do? What? Is that really useful? Or something? What the heck? Actually, I can put 5. That's obviously not true, but was that really required? What? Alright, so this is the thing. Right here we have the class. We have another class for the same thing. Alright, so it does work. How about we go back to Team Geek YT and we do that. Undefined. Okay, we might have found something. We might have found something. So this is not defined, and if I go back, it will be defined, right? Okay, we might have found something. We just take the length. Okay, so to detect if I'm live streaming, everything I have to do is just check that. All right, it's kind of easy. So now it should work the exact same way, right? Showing you that just in case. Not just in case it doesn't work. Obviously, if it doesn't work, I'm just going to tell you. For now, I don't see much, which is an issue, I guess. Yeah, I don't see much. There's literally nothing, actually. Or maybe I'm blind. Yeah, nah, it doesn't work. Okay, that's an issue. I don't find the thing. Or maybe, wait. Maybe we are talking too fast. Maybe we're talking too fast. Watch time. Okay, so it should be that thing. Local storage dot get item. txt dot watch time. There was not even one of my things. So that's problematic, I guess. Alright, let's see if that works. Like that. Alright, I'll take back the window. We refresh. Okay, so it does work. We do have the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It does work. If I refresh. Oh, no, it works. Wait, what? I'm lost. Now it works. Um, or maybe I forgot to, how to say? Maybe I actually forgot. Okay, no, that's fine, that's fine. Alright, so let's do something. Okay, it did stop when I changed from live stream. If I put a lot of 8 and a 0 random like that. Alright, Team Geek, authority, Team Geek off. Alright, so I have changed a little bit the code. 52, 50. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm dumb. I needed to refresh the page. Oh, even if I'm impulse by the way it works, but we don't really care about that. Alright, so let's switch. Um, if I'm putting a lot of lines, maybe it will work. If I refresh, we go on to team kick off. I'm unsure. I'm not. Alright, so as you can see, I have over I have over two times. That's amazing. Okay, I didn't meant to hand myself a lot of times, but I did it anyways. Let me see something by the way. Okay, I just want to be sure I'm still live streaming on Kick because yeah, little issue I guess. But now I should have unlocked everything. Yes. Alright. It does work. I guess I'm going to stop today's live stream because I didn't have planned a lot of things. At first I wanted to do X, like the X achievements. Then I wanted to do the YouTube one, but for some reason YouTube is way different for some reason. I don't know why. What the? Actually, it doesn't. Wait. Oh, there we go. It is fixed. But yeah. This. I have read everything, I think. Yeah, there's not too much I needed to do for today, so yeah, that's it for today's live stream, I guess. If you guys enjoyed it, then please consider liking and subscribing on YouTube. Follow me on Twitch and Kick. And that's it. See you guys later. It took me 1 hour to make all of this, by the way. So yeah.